I'm Kim Gaffett and with the TNC, and we're at the banding station up here at Clayhead, and I just pulled out the Common Yellowthroat out of the mist nets, and we're going to band it. This is the male, which you can tell because it has that black mask. The female would not have a black mask. And I have a whole set of strings of bands for different sized birds. They come in, I get them from the U.S. government, Biological Services, the bird banding lab. They come in strings of 100, and each one has a 9-digit number on it, which you can hardly see. And I have special pliers where I put the band on the post of the plier. When I open the plier, it opens the band. And then I can take the band and put it in the notch of the plier. There it is. And then I just stabilize the leg. And because of the notch, it won't crimp on the leg. The band is on there tight, but not too tight. It moves and goes around, but it won't slip off the leg. And there we go. So this bird is got a band that is number 2940059, and hopefully it's number 43. And then 43. And it takes the data. I take the band number, the species number, how old it is. It's an after hatching year. We don't know exactly, but we know it didn't hatch this year. It's a male. Let's see, today is 5/21/26, and it's, we'll say it's 12 o'clock. Check. I'm gonna measure its wing using this wing ruler. It'll stop at one end. So I put what's the shoulder of the bird up against the stop and see where the tip of the wing is. Put my thumbnail there. Then I can look and see that it's 52 millimeters. I'm going to check for fat, and that's a sign of migratory readiness. They probably just arrived, so it's not going to probably have fat, but I check anyway. What I'm doing there is blowing the feathers back so you can get a straight on view of the skin, which is transparent. If it had fat, it would have like a little pocket of like chicken fat that you could see under the transparent skin. And then we're just going to weigh it in the triple beam. This is just to hold it still. It's not airtight, it's loosely wrapped, but I don't want it flying around the inside of the scale. And then just move it, triple beam scale. Not too many people use these anymore. And this one weighs 11.1 grams. And that's it. This is a nesting species here. We have a lot of common yellowthroats. It's one of the 3 nesting warbler species on Block Island. So we have quite a few of these days. And we'll take it out. And away it goes. Oops.